We're at the point of the season where I'm harvesting cucumbers faster than I can eat them fresh. And today I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to use them up. No canning, no fermenting, just a quick refrigerator pickle that's ready in no time and helps those cucumbers disappear. So let's give these a taste. Smell pretty good. The crunch is really nice. They're refreshing. But to be honest with you, I was probably a little too conservative with the sugar, and I think the spices could have boiled longer in the brine. So next time I make these, I'll make those adjustments. But these are still really good. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe, hit like, and we'll see you next time.